Hi everyone, I'm Sahir Mahmood from MCS Real Estate Group, and I'm here at the most exciting new waterfront master plan community in Mississauga. This is Pier House Towns at Lakeview Village by Brandhaven, the only classic non-stacked townhomes in the community, including private front doors and ground-level private garages and driveways. Pier House will feature 3-story towns ranging in size from 1255 to 2195 square feet, 2 to 5 bedrooms, backyards or balconies, and 2 to 4 parking spots with every home. They all showcase contemporary modern designs and Brandhaven's award-winning interiors. You don't want to miss out on this rare opportunity with prices starting at an incredible $799,900. A true attainable luxury home ownership opportunity. For first access to this outstanding new project, contact me 416-456-9675.